Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Fundrise for real estate investments, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Fundrise website to create your account. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. Provide your email address and create a password. Select your state of residence to ensure compliance with local regulations. Complete your personal information including your name and address. Fill out your investment profile by answering a few questions about your financial goals. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Verify your email address through the email confirmation sent by Fundrise. Log in to your newly created account. Explore the Fundrise dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Click on the Invest tab to view available investment opportunities. Review the different investment options presented, including EREITs and e-funds. Click on an investment option to view detailed information including projected returns and risks. If you are interested, click on the Invest Now button for that specific offering. Decide on the amount you wish to invest. Confirm your investment amount and review the associated fees. Proceed to the payment section and choose your funding method, such as bank transfer or credit card. Enter your payment details and confirm your investment. Receive a confirmation email summarizing your investment details. Monitor your investments regularly by checking the performance metrics on your dashboard. Consider reinvesting your dividends to maximize your returns. Stay updated with market trends and Fundrise updates through their newsletters and resources. Always review your financial goals periodically to ensure your investments align with your objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.